How to sign out of Outlook on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sign out of Outlook on your mobile. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open up Outlook on your mobile. Alright, after you open Outlook, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Alright, from the profile section, tap on the setting just at the bottom left. Alright, from the settings section, tap on account. And from the account section, choose your Outlook account. So simply tap your Outlook account. Okay, from your account section at the bottom, you can easily find the options like remove account. So simply tap on the option remove account. From this option, you get two options to remove account, as you can remove this account from all devices or from your mobile device only. So simply select one. Right now we are going to remove this account from this device. So simply tap on remove from device. Alright, as you can see, after I tap on that option, I will be able to sign out of my Outlook account on my mobile. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.